Honorable Muntaka Mubarak, Member of Parliament for Asawase constituency in Kumasi Ashanti region, I was an Interior Minister in Ghana here, but some issue communicate. Now the statement on the about one thing, and Ghana for be now doing what Muntiasi. Do not criticizing a hard one. Do not so any aje and a bit a putino to hard questions. Just now all can same way, any nipa way anyway, so then I'll catch room. And a visit just honorable asma all kind of a nipa ba kope an honorable a tunani a dear sinus or no hunti an honorable press statement about one thing. I Penyah broke me. I may take it time. Now a semi honorable a kind of might you get me be more breaking me be down to you understand. Near we are among for again to the son. Near Posegun from and also what na quite etimi actually wadwene e wo comment. I Penyah broke me. The best was any day over like video now that my over subscribe to me so. Now back click notification icon for latest update. Now, if you better watch me, area mama, comment section. Obey me, I've visited our website www.penyahblog.com. You can more news stories. Let's go into the story. Yeah, to Barry Mahama, he's in the process of appointing his ministers and his deputy minister. I said now coming still vetting. So ongoing, they are still vetting some of the newly appointed ministers so that at the end of the day they can be chosen as minister for respective ministries. Now, Enumono Anna Mahama appointed Honorable Muntaka Muhammad Mubarak as Minister for Interior Affairs. The Adibia Koso Ghana, Minimono, on or channel BBI, on in charge of that. Now, Honorable Edna Ni Ahedi, and also there be Adibia Koso Ghana, a ya trend, Intimame, and sorry, as Interior Minister. Honorable Aishi communicate. I am reading this from our official website. Chieftancy Crests as number plates for vehicles not accepted. Interior Minister. Let's go into it. In a bold move to enforce road traffic regulations, Ghana's Interior Minister Mohammed Mubarak Muntaka has declared that the use of Chieftancy Crests as number plates on vehicles is no longer accepted. On say, you can't Chieftancy Crest ahemfo oma chance there ara oma chance there empempino o tirem say ahemfo ni bo Ghana hanom a omukoto cars instead of say omu de number plate ebebo animu no na omu di oma chance there animu ana abo animu na sa na ahemfo ni bi ye ne there now no or catch room say na pains you there on is also etwam. It is not accepted. This practice, commonly seen on vehicles belonging to traditional rulers, poses a serious security risk, according to the minister. Adena ahemfo no yehu se ahemfo ni bi ye no. Ahemfo no bi ye say omo cars no mo de instead of the number plate ebebo animu na mu magya number plate no edo mo crest ene tata animu no as number plate no. Ede ohaw kese eba ya ho bambo ku e wo Ghana ho. Odo ede ohaw kese eba ya ho bambo e wo mari mo. Ede ohaw eba so. The minister's statement comes after concerns were raised about the growing trend of chiefs using their chieftaincy crest instead of official registration number plates. Also, I do whenever many abera as a trend say or henny bia, you don't say or onyeska toka no ordinary crest and abo anymore. Or printing a crest, not another better anymore. Now, as a fashion, a trend or henny bia, and I know not just say. I draw more concern to that. Honorable Muntaka emphasized that even high-ranking government officials, such as the Vice President, Speaker of Parliament, and Chief Justice, ensure their vehicles bear valid registration numbers. Statement does can say, even high-ranking government officials like Vice President, Speaker of Parliament, any Chief Justice, even Chief Justice, in card they bear registration number, how much more you quantum chief, even the whole chief justice self gets official registration number plate for in car, how much more you go put your crest actually if you come out. And he has issued a deadline for this practice. Say obi an the car or he be an the car any crest nobody only from one deadline. Let's read the deadline. The deadline reads that traditional leaders have been given an ultimatum to register their vehicles by the end of March this year. Failure to comply will result in their vehicles being impounded. Next, Wamamo up to this March ended. March year, and 6 year, March year. By the end of this March, like or hinibia or car, ayo crest and the boy no as number plate in there for commotam na kwaje official registration number anya sa dia waso ebetimi ayeshipa. The minister stressed that the law will be enforced without exceptions, citing Regulation 10 of the Road Traffic Regulations, which mandates all motor vehicles to be registered and display official number plates. Or just say, hini bia wa Ghana sa series uji only say oh hini awoti akoya so nko adia. Oka ho bi. You are not exempted. You are not exempted. Oh, bia ka ho. O sha se bi oh wa floor ho hini nko Ghana ade. Oka ho bi. I will say because you say Regulation 10 of the Road Traffic Regulations no e ka ho ase. Say registration of vehicles with unauthorized number plates unaccepted in our country. And obetiri mu die ntia statement to us die ntia honorable ka edenti kwa na honorable ka dance in same way. Enzuza so pon ne be yan kasa kwa na say o car one register with number plate official number plate ebenya and the obetiri mu one using Chieftancy Crests instead of official number plates violates the road traffic regulations and poses security risk. Now say, Dedi kind say, Oka, so the ahemfo, ashansure ne boy animu a ahemfo, imposu ne boy animu a ashansure ne boy animu a. Instead of the registration number, the or how eba Ghana ya ho bambo so. Ana wo say boomra emra ya sha to say mfante chire Ghana ye kwan so ehyanka aho bambo. Wo boomra na so. It eno ye one. Two, if a vehicle with a chieftaincy crest is stolen and used for a crime, it will be nearly impossible to trace. Ochiremu say, the next point is say, ebia make us say ohene odo car eko RBS for anase bia okasi fi obi aba bewia obewia no then back the car akobokro no a eya den say bit trace that car kro. It becomes difficult say betimi trace that particular car. The minister urged traditional leaders to comply with the law and take advantage of existing provisions for customized registration. From now to March and wait customized registration number plates in there. If we do that before the end of March 2024. And the enforcement and engagement the ABBA. Honorable Mutaka announced plans to visit all 16 regions to engage traditional rulers on the matter. There's a I feel what father say 16 regions all Ghana now open it to be an watch at the end. He's also pleading to all regional house of chiefs say across all the 16 regions until region be our house of chief and make sure so me and the chiefs in his region doing no matter that idea we say. Now that's my honorable Mutaka Ekano. And I'm unfortunate say there be only Asantehene na Ekasa. Ebi said this statement that what issue no. He issued this particular statement because of Asantehene because Ghana ha. Ohini pie ni Ghana ha. Oyusu ni crest, chieftaincy crest as number plate. Ohini pie no Asantehene kwa. Any who say the car APB Asantehene ne boy no outside Asantehene. Ohini pie ni Ghana ha. Ne car Oyusu chieftaincy crest. It's a one fortunate say there be as one of working there. I said he's talking to Asantehene and he for mention Asantehene name and issue the statement directly to him and stop beating and going through the corners. And if you're talking to Asantehene, talk to him directly. Don't go through the corners. Now that's only Asantehene like I said. Everything just said the one want to me because for sure even constituency now would be out there or member of parliament. I Asantehene region. As I was say, I was actually a beach as a Debbie. What we have minimum any day we ain't Nehen Cassie. A bit which I say honorable statement, no, he was referring to chiefs and Asantehene or your ken. If just okay, now no, you are referring to chiefs. Ain't Asantehene say we believe that he's a ken. Engineer Asantehene is not part of this, people. And I'm for say on say the entire or chire the point two is say if this car is stolen and used for crime, it is difficult to trace the car. Now the question is, Shatawale ewo car what customize anything and boy the car name any as number plate. Tumberima, the cars, a PBA, and din a boy new as number plate. Despite Munina, a piano bomu cars, Omu din a boy new. A little bit this it is very common within our artists. Or Tony is got to cabins or customize it. Our software Ghana software will now customized cars. They are not using number plates. Omu cars in the PBA, a Omu crest, and a boy anymore. Ain't it honorable? What are you saying to that also? And I say you're only interested in the Chiefs, but as software no celebrities, you are not interested. 81 for the black question, and any other known about yes, because yes, I question what are him for Ghana, and I said, didn't ya? What I say, because I don't know what kind of, and him from Kwa, even him for quite a unique back of will be Asantehene Kwa, any goopy. But over celebrities not, Shatawale Munina cast a bar, and you customized,你 didn't buy any more any actually, number plate in count. I saw for me will be able cast, and you customized. And why will you forgo all these things? You forgo all these people, then you handle the chiefs responsible, of which there is even only one chief who is found in this act. Next, indirectly, are you making this? Are you issuing this communique because of that particular chief or what? So this some of the questions that Ghanaians are putting to Honorable Muntaka Mubarak for issuing this communique. Also, better material in our comment section. I have Penyah Blog Media. Accra.